Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Hostinger domain with your Wix website. First, you will need to access your Hostinger account and locate your domain's DNS settings. This involves finding the section where you can manage your domain's records. Simultaneously, prepare to gather specific name server or a record details from your Wix site. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a smooth connection process, ensuring your website points to the correct location. Next, let's get the essential information from your Wix account. Log in and head to your site's dashboard. Look for the Domains section, then choose the option to connect a domain you already own. Wix will then provide you with the specific name servers or a record details required. Carefully copy these details, as accuracy is key for a successful connection between your domain and your Wix site. Now, return to your Hostinger account to update your domain's DNS. Navigate to the DNS zone editor for your domain. Here, you will either replace the current name servers with the two provided by Wix or update the record to point to Wix's specific IP address. Ensure you save all changes after inputting the new information. This step tells the internet where to find your website. Finally, it's time to verify your connection. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate across the internet, so patience is important. After some time, clear your browser's cache and try accessing your website using your domain name. Also, check your Wix dashboard to confirm that your domain is now successfully connected. Your website should now be live and accessible to everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.